kind of worked out a pattern here for some leather coasters. I've always got a lot of extra leather pieces laying around the shop, scraps and so forth for making saddles. And a good way to utilize the scraps is to make leather coffee coasters. And I've got a pattern here that I made, spent some time kind of drawing it out the way I wanted it. And what I'm going to do now to make a permanent pattern is to transfer my pattern to galvanized tin. And I'll lay my pattern on here like this and scribe around it and cut this piece out with a pair of tin snips. I used a pair of Crescent T-412 tin snips. It only takes a short time to come up with a pattern for a leather coffee coaster. This is a large coaster that I made and a somewhat smaller. Seems like your scraps will vary in size, and sometimes the big one is just too big for a coaster, and if you make one slightly smaller, it'll work out for you. As you can see, I've had fun with carving some designs into leather and signed them on the back and dated them. Make unique gifts or items that you can sell. And as you just saw in my demonstration there, you can quickly and easily cut out these leather coasters, and your tin pattern will last forever. I've got some more coasters here that are notched and ready to, they've been edged and they're now ready to wet and rub and put a design on them. Take it one step further. If you've really got some small pieces, you can make half size or some quarter size patterns like this and piece those together. And if you've got some all kinds of scrap leather, you can kind of laminate these pieces, and it makes it kind of fun. Here's a piece that I used the quarter pieces on, and then a solid piece. It was kind of soft, but when you glue the pieces together, it kind of laminates them and makes them firm. Just thought I'd throw a few ideas out here for you. I like the notched edges a little better than a round edge, which would take a lot more time to do, kind of time consuming, and you can actually edge this much easier and make it look finished. So appreciate you taking your time to watch this little demonstration and tutorial.